Silver, FOMO, shortage, and why the real price should be unobtainium. When silver runs, it will make headlines, and everyone left behind will understand exactly what unobtainium means. That is the title of this article that we are going to be breaking down today, folks. This came out today, August 16th, so it's fresh off the press. If you want the newest, latest information of what's happening in the world of precious metals, brought to you in a shiny YouTube video on a daily basis, make sure you click subscribe, click the bell so you get notified when I post. If you wanted to buy gold, silver, platinum for great prices from a trusted, legit place, then send an email to info@milesfranklin.com. Let them know Slayer sent you. You could ask for the price sheet or what the weekly specials are. There's several different ways to pay. It's a very legit business. Andy Sheckman is the CEO. We have over $8 billion in sales. We've been in business for 35 years. It's just a great place. And so yeah, anyways, silver is erupting out of the shadow of gold, and anyone who's watching closely knows the run is only just the beginning, and it definitely is. Actually, the run truly hasn't started yet. I think the real run will be once it breaks past $50. That's when we'll truly see where silver can go. We've already seen these prices. Silver's still over $10 away from its all-time high. So this run, of course, it is very impressive. We still haven't seen anything yet. In global key markets like Ahmedabad, India, silver's broken records, surging to 116,000 rupees per kilo, up 34.6% year to date, while gold trails at 30.4%. These aren't just numbers. They're the opening shot in a historic repricing of real assets when fiat currencies are being printed into oblivion. Why is silver surging now? The rocket fuel behind this move is multifaceted crisis and opportunity. 1. Safe haven demand amid boiling geopolitical risk. 2. Fear of unrelenting inflation. 3. A surge in industrial demand, including a breakthrough that leaves lithium in the dust. Samsung's solid-state batteries test how silver slashes charging time by half, doubles battery lifespan, and driving range, which weighs 40% less. Each car may need a minimum of 1 kilogram of silver, with trucks gobbling up to 10 kilograms each, rivaling solar's appetite for the metal, meaning we are talking about a whole new wave of silver demand coming in, because like they said, rivaling solar's appetite. Solar's the number one, but with Samsung's new batteries, this could quickly make EVs the number one sector for silver demand or silver consumption. So jewelry demand is shifting as gold is priced out, sending buyers flooding into silver. And yeah, not even just jewelry, investment demand too. Investment demand was actually up this year for the United States, which was the first in a while. India's investment demand is booming because of jewelry and religious purposes. Russia's adding silver to their central bank buying. I mean, it's insane. It's like everywhere you look, and China as well. So the 40-year truth bomb, silver versus M2 money supply. Let's zoom out. What should silver really be worth? So you have this chart, $670 silver. This is silver versus the M2 money supply. Here's a fact that mainstream avoids. For 40 years, global money printing, measured by the M2 money supply, has gone exponential, while silver's price has been choked and manipulated. In 1985, silver traded under $10 an ounce. In most of the next 21 years, it barely budged above that. Meanwhile, central banks printed trillions. By 2011, silver briefly rocketed near $50 in a panic about quantitative easing, but then the price was suppressed again, falling back to $16 an ounce by mid-2010s. Now, in 2025, silver's staging a determined comeback, running past $33 an ounce. Yet, here's the real, and actually, not just $33 an ounce, up to $39. Yet, here's the real problem. M2 money supply since 1985 has exploded by nearly 2,000% to over 22 trillion in the US alone, and similar trends echo globally. Historically, and this is important, historically, When precious metals lag the growth of fiat, massive catch-up rallies follow. The 1980 silver and gold bust didn't just reflect market froth, it was a reset after a record run. Today, the setup is vastly more extreme. And actually, do you know why the Hunt brothers got into silver? Because gold was banned at the time. You couldn't buy gold in 1980. So, fun fact, by the way. Did you know that? Money supply has gone vertical. Silver is still priced like it's 20 years ago, a fraction of its true monetary value against global liquidity. If silver had kept pace with the growth of M2, the price would be multiples higher than today's $39 an ounce. And it's not just undervalued, it's criminally discounted compared to the ocean of fiat sloshing through the system. I wonder why they're saying 33. Maybe when they originally looked at these numbers, it was 33, and now they're just kind of reposting this M2 money supply, but the numbers are still from back then. I don't know, or it's just typo. I don't know. Maybe it was late at night and he wrote this. I don't know. But anyways, 5th consecutive year of silver deficits. So here we go. This is important. The last time we had a net positive was in 2020, 31 million ounces. Since 2021, we have seen a deficit of 96 million ounces in 2021, 264 million ounces in 2022, 184 million ounces in 2023, and 149 million ounces in 2024. 2025 is expected to be 118 million ounces. I'm going to grab my calculator real quick and see what that adds up to be. So 96 plus 264 plus 184 plus 149 plus 118. So that's 811 million ounces in the red the last 5 years. That's almost a billion ounces. It's almost a billion ounces in the red. 811 million ounces is actually how much global production is roughly. So even 1 year of production would have to, that wouldn't even break even what we would be needed with this huge deficit. And it's only going to continue to get worse. That's another thing that you got to incorporate when looking at silver's price. The situation only worsened by fundamentals. Supply deficits in physical silver are catastrophic. 130 million ounces projected for 2025 industrial demand, especially for battery, solar, military, aerospace, electronics, 5G, AI, robotics, electronics, and green tech will only accelerate the squeeze. This isn't just an abstract tight market, it's a sort of historic shortage that triggers epic price blowouts. Translation: silver is unobtainium once FOMO hits, fear of missing out. Silver isn't just the poor man's gold anymore, it's the most undervalued safe haven asset hiding in plain sight, waiting for panic buyers to realize it's the only metal price for 20th century fiat in a 21st century currency tsunami. That is a great way to put it. If you're waiting for the perfect entry, consider this: explosive supply deficits, new industrial megatrends, a dollar in structural decline. Once the run starts and FOMO ignites, physical silver will disappear from shelves and vaults. Premiums will spike, and what's left will become unobtainium. The metal everyone wants to buy, nobody can get at any price. So I was right. You won't even be able to buy it, but even if you were wanting to buy it, you won't even want to pay the price, or vice versa. Even if you would be willing to pay these high premiums, you won't even have anywhere to buy it from. So history rewards those with conviction before the crowd, right? You got to get in before the curve. When most people are buying, it's too late, right? When most people buy silver, it will be after it already exploded, because then they have the validation that it can go higher. We don't need that. We already see the warning signs, the red flags. Don't be the person that sat on their hands and just looked the other way because, it hasn't done anything yet. Of course, price is the greatest tool of misdirection. You look at the price now, and then you have an opinion thinking it won't do anything because it hasn't, because you're looking at the price now. You have to look ahead. When you're investing into something, you're invested into it. You're looking forwards. What makes it a value, right? And what's the value now? And if it seems undervalued, that's why you invest into it. Look, Oh my gosh, it's so frustrating when people say that, oh, there's no reason to get silver or go with gold or anything else. It just doesn't make sense. Literally. So anyways, don't be that investor when silver runs will make headlines and everyone left behind will understand exactly what unobtainium means. Don't be that person that says, oh man, like the people that wished they bought Bitcoin in 2016. Oh man, I wish I bought Bitcoin back. Well, right now, this is your second opportunity. It is. Plain and simple. So anyways, I'm going to wrap this video up here, folks. I'm about to go to the pool with my daughter. Enjoy the day. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you want to join the Secret Silver Society, go to patreon.com/silverslayer. We do monthly giveaways. The 31st of every month, I pick a winner that is a member. It's $5 a month to get a raffle ticket, and you win like a $50 or $60 coin. So you're paying $5 a month to win 50, 60 bucks. Plus, you can come join the members only live chat where we all show pictures of our stack or ask questions or just chat or whatever. It's really fun. You always have something to look forwards to. Every month you have a chance of winning silver. And it supports me as well. So anyways, check that out. If you want to purchase silver, info@milesfranklin.com. Let them know Slayer sent you. Thanks for tuning in. This is Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. From now on, every single month on the 31st, you have a chance to win silver, a continuous silver giveaway. Well, if you become a member of the Secret Silver Society on my Patreon, you have that opportunity. So every single month, you have something exciting to look forwards to, which would be winning silver. On top of that, you'll have access to a live chat room with other silver stackers where you can post pictures and chat, just hang out with everyone, and have early access to my videos along with supporting me. If this is something you'd like to do, then come join my Patreon. It's patreon.com/silverslayer. Upon joining, you'll be given a monthly raffle ticket and instant access to that chat room. Go introduce yourself. Everyone is super nice, and it's more personal and intimate than a YouTube comment section. Folks, I'm so excited to announce that I've partnered with American medical experts whose purpose is helping veterans get the medical benefits that they truly deserve. Over 17 million veterans aren't receiving their full benefits, and if this is you or someone you know, then act now. American medical experts are offering free consultations through our med team to see how we can help. The med team offers board-certified doctors who have experience working with the VA, comprehensive medical evidence for services like mental health as well. Some of these include your Nexus letter, your DBQs, your TDIUs, your AAs, and more. I want to personally thank American medical experts for helping veterans, but also giving me an opportunity to help veterans as well. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment to get a free consultation through our med team. Thank you so much for listening, and God bless.